shit. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Hang on.
Yep. Get out of there.
I'm stuck.
Keep it running
Oh shit.
if you can. Oh, to the submerged. Well, hold on now.
I'm stuck.
Oh yeah. You wanna get him? There you go.
I can't reach it. Shit. Oh.
You're a trooper, man.
I'm going in low.
Hell yeah.
A little soggy in my boots. Yeah, keep it tight. As tight as you can. that, you heard it. I got the exhaust underwater.
It was like brook, 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 brook. Here's your glove.
Oh. Thanks.
Yeah, sure is. I think I'm good.
Do good. I did what I had to. Man. Oh shit.
That shit's big.
Check this out.
That sign's got a fucking mark on it, yeah.
Look at how fast I went. 100 miles an hour.
Kilometers?
I like to say miles per hour, but
How far did I make it? Not halfway?
actually, I think the most of the way. You got stuck towards the end.
You might have done a little better if you would have been locked in back here. Yeah. You lost your momentum. I was gonna try it in 2 wheels.
I did that in 2 wheel.
Huh? Not with that deep. I was bucket, man.
Whew, that's good footage though.
Yeah.
Guaranteed.
Dude, my back. I felt that shit come up on my back. I was like, woo.
GoPro, stop recording.